Here I have CUBOT Max 2 and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation that device by using the CUBOT settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the list of all apps right here. Find and select the settings. From the list of settings, scroll down and choose System. Find and select Advanced and choose Reset Options. So from the following list, let's choose Erase All Data right here. And this will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. So if you are aware of this, let's choose Reset Phone and begin the whole operation by tapping Erase Everything right here. That's it, the phone is performing right now the hard reset operation, so let's wait until the process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running, let's just wait. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you might start performing activation process. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.